Hey friends, I've had a request to do a nail foil application. So I've done a couple of nail foil manis. I think it looks super pretty and is really easy to do. So first, this is the kit that I have that I just got on Amazon. It comes with all these different foils and this nail foil adhesive glue. So I have just a couple of nails done. So I'm gonna just use the same two little nails here to demo the foil. I just cut a small piece of this gold foil. So right here, that's all you need, especially for just two nails. And then this is the adhesive glue that comes with this set. And you do not need very much of this at all because, at least for me personally, I don't really want much foil on my nail. So I really wipe a lot of it off, and then I just come in and I'll just kind of dab. I usually try and maybe just do sort of the edges. So there, you can see where the glue is on that nail, and I'll just do a little on this other nail too. Don't want too much. So look, this glue is already drying. You can't see the white glue as much anymore, but I usually let it kind of dry. You need it to get a little sticky, a little bit tacky. So I will let it dry for probably 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so I have let about 3 to 4 minutes pass, and then this is all you do. It's so cool. So this is the foil, just like I cut it from here. So you have the color side up, and then you just place it where you put the glue and press it down, and it should stick, and then you tear it away and check that out. It's transferring, so it leaves the foil behind where the glue was. And I'm gonna do on my coral finger here. You can see that it's sticking. Look at that. You just pull it away. I don't remember where I put the glue, so I don't think I put any right there. That's why there's nothing sticking. But just like that, isn't that cool? And then the glue, it's still a little bit sticky. So unlike Color Street, which we're so spoiled by, I would probably try to hang out and let it dry for 15-20 minutes. And then ideally, you'd put a clear as day over this. Actually, you could probably put a clear as day over it right away. I don't think it would smear or anything with a clear as day. I usually don't personally use clear as day because it makes my manicure stay far too long, and I'm ready to get on with the next one within a week or so. So I just use a liquid top coat. I personally use the OPI Plumping, which I like a lot. So I'll wait about 20 minutes, half an hour, and then I'll put my coat of top coat over this, and it looks beautiful. Look how pretty that is. Foil's really pretty. So super easy nail foil. You guys gonna do it?